Did you know Vedic math has found its application in the fields of artificial intelligence and space technology as well? Dr. Rick Briggs, a NASA space scientist, has utilized Vedic mathematics for its accuracy. Hey guys, welcome back to Vedic Mathvantage. And if you are wondering why you should learn Vedic maths, well, I just gave you the reason. Last time we covered multiplication techniques, and this time we'll be continuing with the same. Today our topic is doubling, which is a very easy topic and you will understand very quickly. So let's jump right in.
Let's begin. Today's topic is doubling, and it is very useful when you're multiplying numbers like 2 or 4 or 8 or all such multiples. And as I will show you later, you can also use it to divide by 5 or divide by 25 or the multiples of 5. So normally what you do for doubling is you take the number, let's say 293, and to double it you either multiply it by 2 like the regular method, so of course regular multiplication, so 3 times 2 gives 6, 9 times 2 gives 18, 8 and a carry of 1, and 2 times 2 gives a 4 including our carry, that would make it a 5. And this is one way, and another way which we normally do is we just add the two numbers. So once again you do regular addition. Normally you do right to left, so let me just do that. 6, 18, so 8 with our carry of 1, and then it becomes a 4 plus 1 or 5. But let me show you the Vedic math method of doing this, and it's way faster, trust me. So let's take the same number, 293. And if you have watched my first addition video from left to right, you will know that when you're adding any two single digit numbers, the carry will always be a maximum of 1. You might have a carry, you might not, but if you have a carry, the carry will always be 1. I suggest you go and check out that video as well, just to refresh your topic. Or if you haven't seen it, to understand this topic better, I suggest you go and watch that video. So let's continue. Here we do the doubling from left to right. So what we do, we start with the leftmost digit. In this case it's 2. Just double it. But before you write the final answer, observe the next digit, just like you do while doing left to right addition. By observation, you can see that 9 will give a carry upon doubling, which now doubling in this case means 9 plus 9, just so you understand. So upon doubling, 9 will give 18, which means it has a carry. So instead of 4, we add 1 to it and make it a 5. Next, double of 9, 18. Our carry has been dealt with, so we just write 8 and observe 3. Upon doubling it gives us 6, which does not have a carry, so it's not a problem if you write 8 directly. Finally, just double 3 as it is to get 6. Voila! This is as simple as it gets. You can use this method for much bigger numbers, and you can do it way faster than regular addition or multiplication by 2. Let me show you one of the bigger numbers. Take 3, 7, 6, 5, 9, 8, 2, 5. Now this is a pretty big number. But let me show you how quickly you can double it. 3 double would be 6. 7 here gives a carry, so make it directly as 7. 7 double is 14. Carry has been dealt with. Take 4. 4 plus the carry from next digit, which is 6, upon doubling, which will give 12. So again, carry is there, so you make it a 5. 6 plus 6, so double of 6 would be 12, and the carry on the right would give a 13, or in this case a 3. Don't bother with the carries, we're dealing with them as we go. 5 plus 5, 10, plus the carry, so 0, but with the carry it becomes a 1, because 9 here gives an 18. Now 9 plus 9, 18. Of course, next digit 8, so we make it a 19, because 8 gives a carry upon doubling, as you know. 8 plus 8, 16, but 2 does not give a carry, so you leave it as it is. 2 plus 2, 4, make it a 5, because 5 plus 5 is 10 with a carry, so this is our final answer. And as you get used to this technique, it'll become faster and faster. Let me show you how fast I can solve it after using this method for so long. So I take 2, 5, 8, 3, 9. 2 2s are 4, so I make it a 5. 5 2s are 10, 1, 6, 7, 8. And that's how fast you can do it, if you practice, of course. Practice is the key to perfection. Now, as I promised, I'll show you how you can use this doubling method to divide by 5, by 25, or by 125, and you can keep going on. So, first of all, division by 5 means multiplication by 1 by 5. Remember this, okay? Because a fraction, 10 divided by 5, that means 10 by 5, which also means 10 into 1 by 5. So that's how we get this analogy. Okay, so keep this in mind. And 1 by 5 has an equivalent fraction of 2 by 10. That means 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 10. So you can simplify your division by 5 process by multiplying by 2 by 10, which is the same as multiplying by 1 by 5, or dividing by 5. So if we take a number 35, so do it into 2 by 10, and what do you observe? You get 35 into 2 divided by 10, and this is where doubling helps. So using the doubling method, you can just speed it up. You get 70. Of course, division by 10 is even easier, so you get a 7 in this case as our final answer. Let me show you a quick example. This can also be used for numbers that are not divisible by 5, just for information. So take 3, 8, 7, 2 divided by 5. So that means double the number first. Okay, so that will become 3 times 2, 6, but 8 gives a carry, so 7. 8 times 2 16 plus the carry from the rightwards digit, so make it a 7 again. 7 times 2 14, 4 and 4, and this is our double, 7744. And now just divide by 10, and I hope you know how to do it. Division by 10 means taking the decimal, meaning 7744.00 essentially. So division by 10 meaning taking the decimal one step towards the left, depending on number of 0. 1 0 here, so one step to the left. By 100,000 or something, meaning as many as number of 0, that many times you move left. But here we're just dividing by 10. So that would give us 774.4. And that's our final answer. You saw how easy that was? Now the same analogy can be used to divide by 25 or 125 or as many multiples of 5 as you like. So take divide by 25. Same thing as 1 by 25. Just like I showed you before. Which is also the same as 4 by 100. So what do you do in this case? Take number 3878 divided by 25, okay, into 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2, which essentially means you double the number twice. As simple as that. So we have 3, 8, 7, 8. Double it twice. You get 7, 7, 5, 6. Double it again. You get 1, 5, 5, 1, 2. Now divide by 100. As I showed you before, very simple process, and you get 155.12 because the decimal moves 2 steps to the left. And the same process for 125. Okay, so divide by 125 is equal to 1 by 125, which is equal to 8 by 1000. 8 meaning essentially doubling it into 3, so 2 to the power 3. And you can take even the next multiple, say 625. That would essentially mean into 16 and then divide by 10,000. And if you see the pattern here, let me just show you the pattern once. Okay, you have divide by 5, meaning 2 to the power 1, of course into 2 to the power 1, and then divided by 10 to the power 1, so it's 5 to the power 1. Divide by 25, which is 5 squared. You do it into 2 to the power 2 divided by 10 to the power 2. So basically you take the same power and multiply it that many number of times and divide it by 10 to the power whatever n it is. So the formula would be division by 5 to the power n, where n is any number. You multiply by 2 to the power n, and then you divide by 10 to the power n. And that's how easy you get it. I hope you understood this technique.
So that was the doubling technique, which can be used for multiplying by multiples of 2 or by dividing by 5. Don't forget, practice makes a man perfect, and through practice you will be able to become more accurate and much faster in Vedic maths. See you next time.